If you love finding kitchen gadgets that actually make being in the kitchen fun, here are 11 Amazon finds that solve everyday kitchen problems. And stay until the end when I give my high-end kitchen pick for the month. And trust me, it's amazing. This is a titanium cutting board set, and it's perfect if you're tired of plastics taking over everything. With 3 different sizes, you can prep meat, vegetables, and fruit all separately. They're dishwasher safe, easy to clean, and the juice groove helps keep your counters cleaner. This is a strawberry huller, and it's perfect if you're tired of wasting half the strawberry when removing the stem. Just squeeze, twist, and pull. The sharp little claws remove the stem in seconds with almost no waste. This is a hands-free electric can opener, and is perfect if opening cans hurts your hands or wrists. Just press the button and it cuts smooth edges automatically, making meal prep so much easier. This is a 2-in-1 vegetable peeler and bottle opener, and it's perfect if you hate cluttering your kitchen with extra gadgets. It peels fruits and vegetables quickly and then doubles as a bottle opener whenever you need it. This is an electric grill cleaner, and it's perfect if scrubbing your grill feels like the hardest part of grilling. The rechargeable motor spins for you, helping remove buildup faster with far less effort than scrubbing by hand. This is a sponge holder, and it's perfect if your sink always looks messy. It keeps your sponge, scrub brush, and soap organized off the counter and lets everything dry easily between uses. This one is funny. It's the Angry Mom microwave cleaner, and it's perfect if scrubbing dried-on microwave messes drives you crazy. Just add vinegar and water, microwave it for a few minutes, and the steam loosens stuck-on food for easy wiping. This is a handheld vacuum sealer, and it's perfect if you throw away food because it goes bad before you can eat it. It removes air from reusable bags to keep food fresher while saving freezer and refrigerator space. This is a fruit fly trap, and it's perfect if those tiny flies keep taking over your kitchen. Just place the trap near your trash or kitchen compost and let the food-based lure do the work for you. And it works for up to 120 days. Still using bulky ice packs that take up your whole lunch bag? These adorable stainless steel polar bear ice packs are thin, reusable, and stay cold for hours. Perfect for keeping lunches, snacks, and drinks chilled without the mess. And wait until you see the high-end kitchen item I saved for last. It's a game changer. This is the Tefal 15-piece stainless steel cookware set, and it's perfect if you're ready to stop using nonstick cookware and upgrade to something better. You get fry pans, saucepans, a Dutch oven, stock pot, steamer, and more, all with even heating, induction compatibility, oven-safe construction up to 500 degrees, measuring marks, pouring spouts, and dishwasher-safe convenience. It's one of those kitchen upgrades you'll keep forever and even hand down to your children. Those are my top 11 Amazon kitchen finds that solve real cooking problems and making spending time in the kitchen so much easier. If you want to check out any of them, I've linked every single one in the description below. Happy cooking!